Hi everyone. As you can see, we're looking at the week 4 module. Welcome to week 4 of the quarter. I'm going to try to make this quick because by now we should understand that there's a pattern to the classroom, that I start with a video overview. And there are some other videos in here that introduce the new subject that we are going to be reading in our 4-point novel, which we're now into the second unit. And the whole focus of that is architecture. Okay, specifically, we're going to be reading about one of the biggest architectural / engineering feats in America called the Hoover Dam. And very importantly, I have put some videos here on the Hoover Dam that I think will really give you the background that you need to kind of light up the readings that you're doing, okay? It's really good to have background looking at videos, especially if you're looking at something like the building of a dam. So please check those out. Okay, we have our usual grammar assignments, chapter 4. We have our novel assignments. Just click on these and read. We're continuing with writing test 1. Hopefully you have received feedback from me, and then your final drafts are due this Thursday of week 4, and the date on that is the 15th of October. Okay, so then we've got our usual discussion boards this week, and we're taking another practice reading quiz. Remember, these are shorter, the text is included in there. And this week we have our grammar quiz, and it will be on 2 chapters. It'll be on chapter 2, which is on the past tense usage, and chapter 3, which is on subject-verb agreement. So I've put some additional practice materials in here for you. You're going to be doing the whole chapter 4 this week, and again, these keys will open on Sunday. Okay, and finally, you have your open discussion. So I hope to see some of you on Tuesday, and as always, I encourage you to contact me if you have any questions. Okay, thank you. I'll talk to you soon.